A big part of the power of Speed PPC campaign building comes from using tokens. In this video, I'll take you through what a token is and how it works within Speed PPC. I'll keep it nice and simple because it can be a bit of a mind bender when you dig too deep. So simply put, a token is a little block of text that is used as a placeholder that we can switch out for something else dynamically. The main way we use tokens is to replace words within ads dynamically. This makes your ads more powerful because you can build a brand new ad for each ad group, so you end up with an ad that people love because it speaks exactly to what they are searching for, instead of some generic ad that tries to cover lots of scenarios. Think about it in the context of our example, where we have been a bike shop selling services. Someone who is looking for a suspension fork service is going to click on an ad more that is speaking exactly about suspension servicing rather than just bike servicing in general. Now, we can also use tokens to pass in values to your URL for tracking, but we'll focus on ads in this video. So let's run through a quick example of this in action within Speed PPC. You'll see we have two lists. One is the seed list and one is an expansion list. So if we use the seed token in our ad, we will then see the seed token in our ad for that ad group. Within the token itself, we have an extra feature that we recommend you use. We call it the fallback. The fallback lets you add a word that will be used as a backup when a keyword gets dynamically inserted into the ad and then pushes that section of the ad, for example, a title, over the allowed character count for that ad. For example, say one of your keyword phrases is really long and you have the seed token in your headline. In this instance, when it dynamically replaces the token, it pushes it over the character count. Using the fallback keyword feature, Speed PPC will substitute the word that is too long with this fallback keyword, keeping you within the right character count. We recommend you always use a fallback in your token. So how do you put a token in? Well, you can just type it, or else you can right-click it in the box and select from a menu, or use this link. Tokens can also change the case of the word. This version will not modify your keyword at all, so it will use whatever is in the list. This version will convert the keyword to sentence case, useful for when using it at the start of a sentence. This version will make it all uppercase. Now, here is the thing that most people get confused about, but don't worry, you don't need to understand the logic of why, you just need to follow the rules. For single keyword ad group campaigns, you can use any tokens in your ads. This includes expansion tokens. So keywords from your expansion list can be used in your ads. For single theme ad group campaigns, you can only use the seed token in your ads. This is because in single keyword ad groups, we have a one keyword per ad relationship. So we can use all tokens because it's a one-to-one relationship. However, for thematic ad group campaigns, we have many keywords within the ad groups and just one ad. So we can only use the keyword that is common to all keywords within the ad group. The good thing is, you don't really need to understand why this is the case, you just need to follow the rule. You can use all tokens for single keyword ad groups, but only the seed token for single theme ad group campaigns. That's it. Most people will be using thematic campaigns, so just remember to use your seed token only, as expansion won't work. And don't forget your fallbacks.